Hi everyone, and welcome to Week 1 of Advanced Business Statistical Analysis, part of your MSc in Business Analytics. We lay the foundation for the analytical journey by exploring key concepts that will shape your understanding of data-driven decision-making in business. We begin with research design, where you'll learn how to structure investigations that yield reliable and actionable insights. Next, we'll dive into an overview of statistical methods, from basic techniques to more advanced tools, giving you a broad perspective on how statistics support business strategy. We'll then explore probability theory, which underpins much of statistical reasoning. To support your practical skills, we'll introduce MS Excel and SPSS. Finally, we'll distinguish between descriptive and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics help summarize data, while inferential statistics allow us to draw conclusions and make forecasts based on sample data.